In this video, we're going to see how we can create a one-page website using the Oxygen website builder. Also, along with that, we're going to see how we can create a scroll to a section or to any element effect. Hi, my name is Stratos, and we're building website using the Oxygen website builder. Of course, this video is not to continue the website that we're building, except if you want to add the scroll to another section effect. But you can also watch this video to create a website, a one-page website. So what's a one-page website? It's a website, as it calls by the name, that it's only one page. You scroll down, you see different section about this website, and all the things that you want to read is in the same page. You just scroll up and down. Even if you press to another button here, you will also be scrolled down to another section. You will not leave that page. This kind of website is perfectly for businesses that are very small and just want to show what they can do in a website, but they do not have enough content to build pages. So if it's a small coffee shop and they want just to show that they have 5 or 6 different coffee and drinks or other stuff that people can buy, but they do not offer online shopping, they do not offer delivery or something else, and they just want to show them something. So they can create a section with the drinks, they can create a section with the what's the shop like, they can create a section about with the contact form, they can create a section about the service, and that's all. They do not have enough content to add separate pages. So there are many businesses like that, and if they do not have enough content, it's better to build a one-page website. So let's see first. This is a template from the Oxygen team. This is a dentist template, and as you can see, I loaded this because it has some buttons here. As you can see, 3 here and 1 up on top. After that, we have our doctors and our dentist doctor. Then we have the posts, and then we have our services, and lastly our testimonials. So we're going to create here in this button a link, and when you press this button, you're going to go to our services section. Let's go to the back end and see how we're going to do that. Sorry, I'm always forgetting to look at the camera. And let's see. We're going to hit to the book your appointment, and then here we're going to add something to our URL to make us scroll to this section. So first we're going to the section that we're going to scroll. I'm clicking in the section, and as you can see here, I have the ID section dash, is it dash? I think it's hyphen 54-13. So this is the name of the section. I can rename it or I can use it as it is. If you're creating a one-site website, it's better to rename it. So after that, if you go another day and see what you have created, you want to add something, you know what everything is going to do. So let's see how we can edit that. I'm going to click that. And once you click it, it's opened the enter class name, but I do not want to enter the class name. So I'm going to click back to the ID again. And then I'm going to use the backspace or the del if you are in a Mac, the delete button. If you just try to double click it or select it whole, it doesn't work. It's going to appear the class and ready to be imported in the class. So just press backspace or delete, and then go for the name that you want to give, services. Remember, it's ID, so it must be a unique word or words in the whole website. If you want to add words more than one, I mean, add a hyphen, not a hyphen. Add the symbol. This symbol, I am always forgetting what's the name. And then add the next word. You cannot add spaces inside here. So let's go for services. I'm going to click enter. And then I'm going to click outside. Sometimes when I click just outside and then come back, I found out that the services is not saved just click enter once and I think it will be good. Okay, so as you can see, I click outside, I have another section here, and once I click here in the services section again, I have the services here. So let's go back to the tab, and here we're going to add this. So I'm going to copy that, or since I know that it's services, it doesn't need to be copied, but I'm going to copy that. Okay, and now I'm going to click here, and in the URL, I'm going to add the pound symbol, and then I'm going to paste the word services. Okay, and that's all that you have to do. Let's go and save that, and we're going to see it in the front end. Of course, the smooth scrolling is not enabled this time, but we're going to enable it. So you will accept something not a little bit of buggy, not so great in the scrolling. So let's go and click this, book your appointment, and as you can see, I am immediately given our services section. So let's go back to our back end, and let's go to manage and then settings. Okay, global style, and then at the bottom we have scripts, and then we have smooth scroll to has links. Okay, this is what you have to enable, and this is the scroll time. The bigger the number is, the more time it gets to scroll down, sorry. So let's go for, I don't know, 800 milliseconds, something like that. So be careful, if your website is way too big, you don't want to put here a greater number than the 800 millisecond. Just go for 500 and play with that a little bit. If it's a little bit smaller, the website, the front page, then the page, then you can go with a little bit of bigger number. So let's go and save that, and let's go to the front page and refresh again. Okay, and now I'm going to click book your appointment, and as you can see, I have the scrolling effect. So it's not too slow, it's not too fast, it's perfectly for this page. As you can see and as you can understand, I can create a scrolling effect to an element, to any element that we have here. I can select sections, I can select buttons, I can select images, I can select icons, I can select anything that I want. Just click here, copy the ID. As you can see here, it's the image 65, and then you will have that. But be careful that if you are going to put here that image, then if there is enough space underneath that, the page will look like this. So the element that you have, the ID, will be on top, and then every header, as you see here, every heading will be not shown in the screen. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this is a gray background, and in this section we have the white background and a little bit of space between the white and the heading here we are proud to offer. So if I'm going to click here, as you can see, I will get the white of the section here, because the section is straight on top. The beginning of the section ends up in the top of the screen. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So be careful with that. If you want to add an image, you have to know that the image will show in the top. Okay, and you may miss some elements on top of that. So let's go and repeat the process to another section. Let's go for our testimonials, and of course, since this doesn't have enough space down here at the bottom, you cannot see this element on the top of the page. Okay, you cannot scroll furthermore. So let's go and click here in the section. I'm going here for the section 19. I'm going to delete that and just type testimonials. Okay, and after that I'm going to copy that, going to enter, click outside, and then see if it's done. Okay, it's saved. So let's go to the learn more here, and as you can see, it has a URL. I'm going to delete that, put a pound here, and then testimonials. I'm going to save that. refresh the page. And when I click here a little more, I will get the testimonial section. Okay, the smooth scrolling only has to be configured once, okay, for the whole site. You don't have to put anything else more because it's in global styles. In the same exactly way, you can add this in the menu. So if you want to create a one-page website, you have to have links here that are going to scroll down to a section that you want. So when I'm servicing, here is the services page. So let's go to the pages and then to the menu. Let's go appearances, menus, and let's see how we can create here another element in the menu. So we're going for let's close that. Okay, let's go for custom links. This is what you want, and here you're going to put pound and testimonials if you want testimonials, and here you will have the word testimonials. I don't know why I didn't just paste it. Okay, add to menu, and as you can see we have it here. So I'm going to put it under the services. I'm going to save, and let's see the front end once again. I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to see that I have the testimonials. Remember that I am in the services page right now, so I'm clicking testimonials and it immediately went down. I didn't get this very nice scrolling, but let's go and do that once again. Okay, is it not saved at this moment? Let me see. So maybe it's because I have a different kind of menu here. Let's go a little bit in the template. Let's go to our templates. As you can see here, I have the mega menu, and let's go to the Oxygen and then templates. And I'm going to delete the mega menu from our template, because I think this is why the smooth scrolling is not working. Let's go and see if it's the case. Okay, it's loading. Cheers. Just water. Sorry for this. It's taking some time to load. Okay, and as I remember, I have here the menu, but I have it hidden. Let's go to structure, and here the inner content. No, here we have the header builder, header row. Okay, this header row, I think it's hidden. Let's go for the layout and unhide that. Is it hidden? Visible. Okay, and layout. Okay, let's go just and delete this. Okay, delete that, and I'm going to grab the menu. Okay, this is the header row. It's hidden, I think. Okay, display none. And this, I'm going to delete that. So this is the menu of the Oxygen. Okay, let's go and save that and refresh the page right here and see if it's working. And as you can see, it's working. Okay, let's go again, testimonials, and it's working. It's not working with the mega menu. So now that we have created this effect, I'm going to show you something else, something different. So let's go for the contact page. No, let's go for the homepage. It's better, homepage. Okay, delete this, and so here we have the home page, and let's say that we want to have a button here in the home page or in another page that when the visitor clicks, we want him to immediately go to the services and in this section. Okay, in Meet the Team section. So we don't just want the visitor to go to the services page. We want to be guided in this section, in this page. So how can we do that? we're going to use the pound testimonials along with the services. This is the services page, and pound testimonials is for the testimonials. Where are the testimonials? Here are the testimonials. But if we want to meet the team, we're going to create another section, another ID. Let's go and do that. Let's go into the section. Okay. So we're in this section, team. And let's go and edit that section, and we're going to name it team. Team. Okay, enter, click elsewhere. Okay, and let's see if it's working, if it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. Let's go and save that. And now I can go to the home page. I can edit with Oxygen. And if I go to the page here, this is the services. So I can copy all of this URL or just the services URL. This is what we called relative URL. We do not have the domain name on front. So let's go here. And let's wait. Sorry for the time that it takes to load. Okay, I'm going to pause the video just so you just don't have to wait. Okay, I think I have a problem with the internet because it's taking way too long to load, and it's not the website. So let's go to the go to videos, and let's go where it says URL. I'm going to put here the relative URL. Of course, it's the same if you put the URL of the page with the domain first, and then we're going to put pound and team. Okay, and let's change this, meet the team. Meet the team, and this is not the meet that I want. Okay, meet the team. Let's go and save that, and let's go and refresh the page. Okay, and now if I'm going to click here that says meet the team, as you can see, we have the services and the team section. So this is all that I wanted to show you. It was a 5-minute video, but it was stretched because I didn't have good internet speed. Sorry for that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos with Oxygen website builder, and of course with other WordPress tutorials. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.